Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from With Bree, and today I have a unboxing for July's new release from Diva Designs. I'm so excited to share with you guys what is new. I haven't seen anything yet, so this is gonna be my first time as well. I am zoomed in a lot closer today because I have a project that I'm working on, and I will have that in a project share because I'm using some of the dies from her June release to create that. I still have a couple project shares that I want to share with you guys that I also created, so I'll have those all out within this week. And then I'm going to be moving on to July's release. So let's go ahead. Oh my goodness, all of this is so cute. Oh, okay. I'm already seeing everything and I'm like, oh my goodness, everything is so adorable. I am a huge summer girl. I love summer and winter. I know it's two very contradicting things, but definitely like crafting summery things is always so fun. So let's start with the larger dies so that way I can have those out of the way. So this right here is the popsicle box. This is a 3D popsicle box. So I can't wait to share with you guys, you know, what I do with this. But you guys can see there is the little ice cream drip right here. And all the components you need to create the box. And this is the little popsicle part that has the cutouts. So there's the first large die. And then this one right here is a beach ball. Oh my goodness. I'm loving everything. I definitely have an idea for this one. And this is the layering pieces. So she always has like enough pieces to do like a shaker. I don't know, this one might be a little too thin, but you could do a lot of layering on here for the beach ball. And then she even included a hello, we're just talking about winter and summer. Surfboard and some, sorry for the baby giggles, and sorry not sorry. I love when they laugh together. And some bathing suits, and then she even has a bow. If you guys have seen some summer projects that I did with her dies, I did show some stuff that I did with the surfboard die and the bathing suit die. So I'll leave those down below so that way if you guys want to check them out. She has this exact bathing suit, just larger, to create some tags, which I have a process video, so I'll have that down below. This one I did do a process video as well, so all of that will be down below for you guys. And then she even includes the umbrella. So that's die number 2. And then this one right here, oh my goodness, is a beach bag. Yes, I am really excited about this one. I actually just bought a 3D die on Amazon for a mini one, so this is gonna be really fun to have, like a larger size one. They're having fun, and that's all that matters. Okay, so there's that one. And then this right here is a sandal die, and you guys, these are coming in clutch for when we I document and work with Hawaii stuff when we come back. So I'm really excited. It's making me excited for the trip. But yeah, anyway, this right here, she has 2 different sizes of sandal, or like slippers. So you have these larger ones right here, and then you have these smaller ones, and you even have the little pieces to create the part where you slide your feet in. So there's 2 different sizes, and then you get, again, she always includes like flowers and stuff that you can decorate your pieces with. So those are the 4 large dies from this release. And then the smaller ones here that she has. So she has this really fun pinwheel die. She has 3 different sizes, which I have also done a project share on the pinwheels that she has in her shop. But this one here is a little different. It has little zigzag lines, so I can't wait to show you guys how these ones look. They are going to be a little different. I love that she includes the layering pieces as well, so you could do the main piece in cardstock and have pattern paper, vice versa. But there are the 3 sizes. And then there's a bottle, like a soda bottle. You can put the words cheers, soda, and then she has like the bottle cap and the little label part. Oop. So it looks like this. And yes, I am a huge Coke fan, so I'm actually really loving this one. And you can make a shaker out of this as well. So these are going to be really fun to make little soda pop bottles with. And you guys, I saw this. I love jellyfish. So yeah, I was so excited to see this. I did not know this was going to be part of her release, so I'm really excited. And with her dies, this one here, she has the little lace. I tell you guys every time, I love this little lace edge that she puts. So she has that for the little jellyfish, and she includes every single one of the little, what are those, tentacles, little feet things. She includes them all separately so you can, you know, layer them up on top, so that way it gives it more dimension. And look how cute these little eyes are. You don't even have to use it on this specific die. You can mix and match those eyes with a lot of other things. And she includes a mini version. So you got the baby and the mama. Like, that's adorable. I do love that one. I'm really excited for that one. And what is a Scrap Diva Designs? Oh, you guys. Oh, this one she did. So this is Summer Words number 2. She does have a number 1, which I did use as well in a video. And from last year, I believe it was. And this one here says ice cream, cocktails, sunshine, surfing, fishing, and picnic. So this one again is number 2. So if you guys are interested in number 1, she also has that as well. And they do have layering pieces. So Summer Words number 2. And then the last one, you guys, I saw this when I was opening the bag, when I was taking everything out. And look at these glasses. I just bought something similar to this. So yeah, I'm really excited now because I cannot wait to work with these. She has 2 different sizes, 3 layering pieces. So again, she includes everything you need to make really pretty projects. So I can't wait to share with you guys what I do with these. I may have to bring in some of her older dies when I work on these projects because, again, I just love all her dies. And I'm so excited for summertime, and I can't wait to share with you guys everything that I create with them. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys are interested in any of the dies, I will have the names of them linked down below, and also my affiliate link if you guys would like to shop through there. It does help me and my channel, so thank you everybody that does use it. It really does help, and it does make me happy when you do use it. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this. Stay tuned for my project shares and my last couple of process videos for this week for June's release, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.